making a duplicatable project template that I'll be iterating from now. I like seeing all the pre-made folders that looks just like a Laravel project. A wonderful PHP web app framework for those who don't know. Hopefully this can turn out to be some kind of personal Godot framework for me in the future. Just the same old player script and scene. This time I'm using the custom input because the UI inputs doesn't come with WASD keys. Let's apply those inputs. Turns out even in games I'm still trying to find out how to center stuff other than diffs. With this, even if my player's position is out of the editor's viewport, it'll always be X-centered when the game starts.